Today, we're up in the mountains to check out some plum blossoms. And in this video, you'll learn English in context. That means you'll learn English naturally by connecting words with real places, real objects, and real experiences. This helps make the English you hear easier to understand and easier to remember when you need to use it in the big world out there. This morning, we drove up a narrow road to a small village called Fengguidou. This is a rural area. We use the adjective rural to describe a place in the countryside. It's away from the city. Not many people live in a rural area compared to a city. This is also a mountainous area. We use the adjective mountainous to describe a place that has a lot of mountains. The land isn't flat, it's mountainous. Fengguidou has an elevation of about 900 meters. We use elevation to talk about how high a place is above sea level. So Fengguidou has an elevation of 900 meters. It's 900 meters above sea level. Think about where you live. Are you close to sea level or are you high above sea level? I love coming here because of the scenery. Scenery describes the natural view that you see. The mountains, the trees, and this big, beautiful blue sky. I feel blessed to live nearby. These trees are called plum trees. A plum tree is a tree that produces or makes plums, a type of fruit. Before the fruit grows, the tree makes flowers. A blossom is a flower that grows on a tree. These blossoms are fragrant. We use the adjective fragrant to say something has a sweet, pleasant smell. These plum blossoms are fragrant. Before a flower opens, we call it a bud. A bud is small and closed. The flower inside has not opened yet. When the bud opens, the flower blooms. We use the verb bloom to say that the flower has fully opened. Right now, many of the plum blossoms are in bloom. This is why many people visit Fengguidou at this time of year. In addition to plums, some farmers here also grow coffee beans. Like the trees in the last video, plum trees are deciduous. That means they lose their leaves every winter. As you can see here, this tree has already started to grow its leaves again. Look closely at the flower. These soft, thin parts are called petals. A plum blossom has 5 white petals. This area is very peaceful. Peaceful means calm, quiet, and relaxing. That's why people like to visit. People come here to walk around, take pictures, and enjoy nature. After this video, take a walk outside and enjoy nature. And while you're at it, use English to describe what you see. See you in the future.